Welcome everybody to DrSwiss Moto. I'm back, baby. Give it to me, baby. So it's a beautiful day. Let's put another gear down. Let's get some speed. Woohoo. It's a beautiful day in Switzerland. It's a bit cold, but you wouldn't tell by what I'm wearing. But it feels so good to have the wind going through my body. I feel so aerodynamic today. It's fucking amazing. So today, because we always have an agenda, what are we gonna talk about? I have no fucking clue because I don't have an agenda. So all I'm gonna do is have a quick ride because my girl is having a quick meeting, and I thought I'll sneak out of the house, go for a ride, look at the lake, make a video, entertain you people. Look at that, we are doing 80. Oh, the speeds. I have some good tunes going inside of my helmet. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but oh, bobber. No, it's a bird, it's not the bobber. Curva. So I was doing a video the other day about my Ducati, and it failed miserably because I just started throwing the freaking mallet around, and I didn't post that, so I feel like I owe you something, so that's why I came out and I'm doing a video now. One of the things that I was talking on that video that maybe still will be posted, I don't know if I can salvage it yet or not, is about motorcycles and engine sizes. Like, are you, and this is a question for the community or to the one person that made it this far in the video, are you one of those people that judge riders by what size engine they have? Are you one of those, I feel insecure because I have a little pee-pee, or are you one of those people that just, you are on two wheels, I respect you for that, you're the greatest man in the world, slash woman, slash whatever other creatures. So yeah, let me know. It's an actual question because I hear that a lot from people, because the highest I've ever had on motorcycle engine size was the Triumph with a 800, and then I have a bunch of wannabes around me being like, oh, if you don't have 1,000 might as well walk to work. Like, what the fuck? Why? My biggest regret motorcycle wise is not going for rides across the Alps when I was having a scooter, because now with Frankie I realize that even if you are low on power, which I am, come on Frankie, oh okay, it's a 50, I'm doing a 60, so you're not low on power, you're even overqualified for this road right now. But yeah, one of my biggest regrets is not going on rides on a scooter to the Alps. Why not? You are in the open on a two-wheeled vehicle enjoying the freaking view. Why wouldn't you? So my question to you, does it really matter what you ride? Like, does it? Answer me, does it? I cannot hear you. Scream louder at your laptop, phone, iPad, telephone, I don't know where you're looking at this. But yeah, that's one of those. Oh, look at that. It's one of those pinky whatever trees that have that beautiful flower on it. I know exactly who I need to take to this road to look at that tree. So yeah, with me it's been quiet. I know, the weather has been shitty. It's not like, and it's not like I'm not going out on a bike when it's even snowing, but it's just I've had other things to do. I got a new job, I got a new girl, I got a new kid, I got a new car, I got a new bike. Okay, some of those are not true, but I got a new everything, so I've been busy doing a lot of things here and there, but oh well. The Tiger is gone, by the way, since we are talking about new things. It's sold. It went to a great home, to somebody that wants to use it as a motorcycle and ride it and go on adventure, so I'm very, very, very happy about it. Sad that it's gone, for sure, especially when I look back to pictures and videos I did on it and the adventures, but better things will come. I promise you, better things will come. So my plan for my side of the garage, because now there are two of us lunatics wanting to buy bikes, for my side of the garage, as always, is the CVR. So my goal, and I know that everything I say on these videos ends up not happening, so my goal is to buy a CBR by next year. So next year in the summer, whatever, I want to add a CBR 600 RR to the garage. And I know some of you, going back to what we were talking about in the beginning, or what I was talking about, because you are listening. No, I know there is a CBR 1000 and it's bigger, but I am perfectly safe and secure with my sexuality. I don't need that. First of all, because my talents are absolute maxed out on a 125, so I don't need it 1000cc. And second of all, because the 600 RR is my dream bike. It's not the 1000 RR, it's not the 125, it's the 600. So that's what I'm going for. So if I am disappointing some of you, like and subscribe, I guess. I don't know. Look at that, a field of things. I don't know what those things are, but maybe some of you in the comments are like, oh my god, it was a field of things. But yeah, and look at that, another biker. Hello biker, and he nodded back. See, I'm on a 125 and he said hello back. That's the type of positivity we need in this world, motherfucker. So yeah, the 600 RR is coming. It's coming, baby. And then I have Frankie. Frankie is not going anywhere. We have Vittoria. She's not going anywhere. And something tells me that at some point, and sit down for this, sit down, children, sit down, and calm down, and don't start screaming. I am as about it as everybody else, but I think a Harley Davidson might be coming to the channel. Two of them actually, but I'm talking about the one on my side of the garage now. Shh, I know, I fucking know. But there is something poetic about having the same bike as your partner and just riding into the sunset, baby. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's the news. Look at you going left. My little Daihatsu Cuore. You have such a cute name. Yeah, we are at Sempach See. Is it called Sempach See? I have no fucking clue. It's a lake. Look, it has water in it. That water is wet, which makes it a lake. So, welcome to the lake with water that is wet, called Sempach. It's a really nice part of town. If you want to come to a lake to do some stand-up paddling, this is the one to come to, because the one in Lucerne, the Vierwaldstättersee, is way too wavy because of all the boats and stuff going on in there, and this one doesn't have big boats, so the water is calm, it's smooth. So if you are on this channel watching for stand-up paddle content and tips and tricks, that's it. You can go and look at something else now. Look at that beautiful tower with some flags on it and stuff. I am the only fucking person in all of Lucerne right now in a t-shirt. Or no, there are two others. Ha! Look at me talking too soon. Let's rephrase it. I'm the only fucking person right now in Switzerland on a t-shirt riding let's say, riding Frankie. Because I know there are a couple of those dudes that ride in t-shirts their 1000cc sports bikes in the city. Look at you being an idiot. I love you. Thank you for trying to kill me. Now that my life makes sense and I don't want to die. Like, what the fuck? Where were you a couple years ago? This took a dark turn. Where shall we go? Let's go up, because if we go up, then at some point we look down and there is the lake. So we go! Woohoo! Go! Oh, look at that! 49,888! Oh! That looks nice. Go, Frankie! Go, baby! Go, baby! Woohoo! We are flying! We are not, but we are. Why did I get out of the gas? That's gonna cost me. I'm not gonna make it. Go, 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 go! Ah, look at that. Look at that amazing view. So yeah, today I know it's a stupid video. I'm not talking about anything important. I'm just telling you plans that may not happen, telling you stories that may not be true, going up a mountain that may or may not explode Frankie's engine by the sounds of it. Let's put another gear in. We are pocketing. Let's go, baby. And yes, I do sound like I'm on cocaine, so I'm sorry about that, kind of. I promise you I'm not. For those of you who know me know that. For those of you that don't know me, you guys will be very surprised. Look at the fields with the yellow flowers, the lake, the city, the David, the you guys. It's amazing. I never did drugs in my life. That's very surprising. I know. I do drink like a camel, but I don't do drugs, so I'm very healthy. I'm losing power. I told you, getting off the gas down there was gonna cost me. Come on, baby. Now he's going. We are going. I don't know where, but we are going. It's getting cold up here. Fuck, I'm closer to the sun and it's colder. Makes no sense in my head. I'm like, the higher you go, the warmer it should be because you're closer to the sun. But no, Icarus. Your wings will not burst into flames because it's cold as fuck up here. Look at that. This is Switzerland, baby. We are pretty much out there in the wilds. We might see some wild Swiss people out here. This is what I needed. So good. I may or may not be having a situation inside my pants right now. This is so good. And I know everybody's gonna hate me right now, especially if somebody's watching from America, fuck you. But I live in the best fucking country in the world. Like, fuck everybody that says the contrary. Like, Switzerland is the best place in the freaking world to live. The views, the access to views, the amazing places you can go to in like that. It's just perfect. Absolutely perfect. There was an old lady there that was looking at me like, is that young man wearing a t-shirt? I'm gonna call his mom and tell her. So yeah. Oh, there's a big tractor coming. Let's go. I don't want to die by tractor. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at that view and then tell me, oh no, Switzerland is horrible. If you think that, first of all, where do you live and how are you called? Second of all, you're wrong. You are wrong. Switzerland is the best country to live in. Like, this is so good. I know this vlog or whatever you want to call this shit is a bit out there, but I'm just excited. I'm out on Frankie. I'm on the brink of hypothermia, and I'm looking at some amazing freaking views and the Suzuki. So look, it's amazing. Life is great. Why complain? Why not though? Some of you are on this channel just for the complaints, but look at that. That's amazing. And now we go down in history, and on this road, look at that view. Like, come on, with a straight face, tell me that Switzerland is not the best country in the world. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at that, cows. Hi, cows. Kurva cows. And yes, I am completely, absolutely in love with that Bobber Kurva video. For those following my Instagram, you will know that every second thing I post is about Bobber and about Kurva. So, look at that view. How can you not love Switzerland? Like, come on, fuck you. I'm sorry I'm insulting you, although you didn't say anything. This is amazing. And with that being said, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna order myself 2 pizzas, and I'm gonna enjoy life. And I'll be back to feed you some more videos. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you laughed. If you're having a bad day, I hope it helped. And if you're having a good day, I hope I didn't ruin it. So with that being said, I really hope I see you soon again, and yeah, buckle up, Buttercup, because it's gonna be a wild ride.
You don't got bite. Tell me, what's that like? What's that like? Being that insecure, acting up, immature. Had enough, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. It's karma.